Teardrops fall out my window all day, all night. Whenever you call, if I don't pick up, I ain't alright. Teardrops fall out my window all day, all night. Whenever you call, if I don't pick up, it's alright. Everybody's prepping for doomsday. The moment that I fuck it all up. For me, it's just a regular Tuesday. Without even a clue what I've done. Instead, it's like my fingers on the button, and they go running, and I'm left wondering if destiny is my own self-destruction. Betting on it, but I don't want it. They say I'm off of my meds. They want me under arrest. Straight jacket, hospital bed. It's all good, don't take no offense. I'm far from perfect. It's not worth it. Straight jacket, hospital bed. It's all good, don't take no offense. They tell me I'm a suicide. If I decide against it, then I'm clearly higher out my mind. See how is it? I'm self-sabotage, no applause to get the happy ending. I can't tell the difference. They say I'm off of my meds. They want me under arrest. Straight jacket, hospital bed. It's all good, don't take no offense. I'm far from perfect. It's not worth it. Straight jacket, hospital bed. It's all good, don't take no offense. Everybody's prepping for doomsday. The moment that I fuck it all up. For me, it's just a regular Tuesday. Without even a clue what I've done.
What's up? Long time no see. I think it's been like a week, like a full. No, wait, it might have been over a week. We might have had over a week. Let me check. 6-2. Yeah, 8 days. It's been 8 days. That's a pretty long. That's like it might be the longest I have gone without streaming this year. It's definitely up there. I've been pretty good about at least once a week. But if there was a streak, it's gone. So I'm sorry. I've been absolutely slammed. So much stuff is going on. I want to talk about some of it today. I'm gonna stream again today. I'm gonna stream today and Thursday this week. So there's 2 streams for sure this week happening. I promise. But I have been so slammed. There's a lot of cool stuff going on though. Working on what 3 new projects. Search carriers. Load partners launching this week? Question mark? I don't know. It's probably launching on Thursday. We'll probably do it live on stream. That's the goal for Thursday's stream. We pretty much have it ready to go. I'm just gonna reconfigure the server one more time. We're gonna send it out there. We're working with some close partners already with more dedicated instance kind of stuff going on. So if you're interested in load partner dedicated stuff, hit me up. We'll get you set up. We have a lot of really cool stuff to like spin that up, obviously with the scripts. And we have some packages that include like development time built in, which has been a lot of people really like that. Custom development time built into your TMS package. Obviously 100,000 unique things coming to that project. But yeah, search carriers. Obviously, you maybe you've seen it, maybe you haven't, but it was on What the Truck. That was very cool. Always a good time with Dooner. Also was on the Rocket Shipping podcast. That was 2 weeks ago now? I don't remember. Man, it's been kind of a blur. I'll be honest. That was cool. That was a fun podcast. Gabe's great. But Search Carries has been getting so much usage. I appreciate all the feedback. I'm working so hard to keep up with the feedback. I will share this, actually, search carriers wise. So there's kind of 3 milestones broken down. I'm still working out the bugs. There's companies that don't have all the information in there yet. There's companies, actually all the companies should be in there now. There was a couple missing that were like hazmat special permit that were excluded from my data set that are in there now. Got authority data updated in there now. My gosh, there's so much. There's so much, and there's so many things I want to do. But I'll say there's 3 milestones. Right now I'm working on bug fixes and data cleanups. So there's still some lingering things that need worked out. So working on that a lot. Kind of a boring update, I'll admit. But there is a whole bunch of cool stuff, kind of like the foundations being set for, with automations around data sourcing and things like that. So the next one, I am calling it the data funneler update behind the scenes, which is just cleaning up all the... Music's too loud for me. It's cleaning up all of the different data sources, making sure it all goes in there, making sure the audit data looks right, blah, blah, blah. So there's also some stuff around authority history lookup pages and some stuff like that I'm working on. The next update is going to be the fun one for that. Like after the data funneler one is going to be called, I'm going to be releasing the Snap a Truck program is what I'm calling it. And it's basically a system to take pictures of trucks on the road, pulls up the profile, but it's going to be gamified. So you'll actually get, you'll be able to like collect carriers essentially and get like trading cards on your profile based on like the rarities of trucks and things like that of carriers. So you'll be able to actually like collect trucks while if you're on vacation somewhere and you see some semi trucks, take some pictures, collect them, collect the trading cards, you'll be able to show them on your profile and everything. So I think that'll be really cool. I have obviously the picture stuff done for that already. And then the third one, I don't want to say too much, but basically an AI investigator for carriers. I don't know, doing a lot of the work that we're seeing people do online of investigating carriers, finding suspicious addresses, linking them to agents, and basically being like, hey, is this a carrier legit? What are the red flags? Automating a lot of that data surfacing that happens, not the decision making of to use them or not, to be like, hey, here's some things you might want to look at. Like this guy's got 13 other carrier companies registered to him by the address, and surfacing all that. So those are the 3 big updates coming for search carriers over the next probably couple months, realistically. But the data funneler one is the one that I am focusing on at the moment the most. That's the big one. So also shout out Freightwaves. They used some search carriers data today, which was very cool, in one of their articles. I think I posted it on X if you didn't see it. But I've been working with Adam Wingfield over there. Awesome guy. Love a lot of the stuff that he's doing for carriers. You know, I've talked a lot on this channel and just on socials in general about how I want to do things that help carriers more. There's obviously tons of tech for brokerages, and that's where a lot of my experience is. But I really want to like find ways to like surface positivity related to these carriers. And so Adam's doing a lot of work in that space, obviously, with the Playbook program and everything he's doing with I say the Playbook program, it's called the Playbook, from Freightways, teaching people how to run successful fleets, what are good practices. Trying to get more involved over there. I'd love to do more with them to help bring more positivity to the space with technology. Flag good carriers, like carrier of the week, stuff like that. Like, you know, a lot of possibilities. He posted this article. Where's it at? There we go. Just talk about new carrier authorities. So this is from Search Carriers, so we got a shout out, which is cool. Basically looking at authority history, and looking at search carriers. Where are new authorities coming from? So, yeah, pretty interesting to see. California, shout out North Carolina showing up on there. But a lot of trucking stuff here, surprisingly. But yeah, check that out if you haven't already. Good insights. So yeah, But today, so yeah, I think that's kind of what's going on, basically. My city is the second largest issuer of MCS. Nice. Or MCs, yeah. You're in good company, I guess. Those kind of the updates for projects that are going on, I guess. Today, though, what I want to do is I would like to dig into some other search options. So I want to make search carrier search even faster. I think it could be faster still. And so specifically like the fuzzy search on search carriers is maybe like a little too slow. It can take like a second or two depending on what you're searching to like bring it back, and then it's like especially if you have like really common words you're searching for and they're like short or whatever. So I want to make it faster. It needs to be faster. So what I want to look at today is I don't even know how you pronounce this. Melee search? How do I pronounce this? How to pronounce melee search? Oh wait, let me pause my music. Pause. Let's learn together. What's up, Sage? How's it going? Sage sent me. You are Sage. Or are you like an editor or something? Does Sage have minions on the account? How do you pronounce it? It's like pronouncing bird. Wait, what? It's like in the word male. Wait. How do you this is going way deeper than I thought we were going to be going, to be honest. Male, is it male search? Is that literally how you say it? I'm glad that I'm not the only one though. Melee search? Melee, that sounds better. Melee search. I'm gonna go with this. I'm gonna go with melee search. Feels better. Anyway. What we're doing today is we're gonna build out a little prototype here of melee search and see how it performs. There's a ton of stuff you can do with it. Like they got vector storage. I mean, I think they have like AI stuff built into it. Let's see. But there's pricing to like host it, which is really expensive. Can't afford that. Even, you know, the problem with search carriers and why I don't use a lot of these tools is because we have like literally 1 million documents. This wouldn't even, I'd have to literally go to custom quote to set this up. So won't work. However, it is open source and we can set it up, and they even have a Laravel integration. So I'm thinking we just, so anyway, that's what we're up to today. Searching. And what we're comparing this to for reference as well is TS vector comparisons in Postgres, which is their like text search. So it's actually a vector comparison in Postgres. I use this a lot in search carriers, and then I just like do some magic with like formatting to make things come back like the way you would expect them to, basically. You can actually do a lot of like operators and stuff for comparisons. Like a little bit of regex, a little bit going on in there, but anyway, let's see what we can do. Use case demos. Oh, this is actually for searching through eloquent models. Okay, that's kind of cool. Do they have a, oh, this is actually a demo. Is this GitHub? Wow. Okay. Oh, it even has multi-tenancy built in. That's cool. Shout Check that out. What? That's actually pretty cool. Because basically the way this is going to work is the search will return like DOT numbers, and then we'll do the full lookups from the database. Or maybe there will be enough information in the return document, but... oh, even like a front-end example. Uh-oh. If I'm laggy today, let me know. My internet's been like a pain. So apologies if I'm breaking up. I've had problems for a couple days now. I dropped for 30 seconds. Spectrum, man. Doing me dirty. I'm gonna have to reach out to them because my internet's been spotty for a couple days now. It's not awesome. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna change some settings on my router. Give me some priority. Let's see. Is it good now? Drop frames. I think I'm good now. Okay. I saw it spike though. So annoying. Okay. Cool. Generate. Okay, so let's start at the top, I guess. Self-hosting. I think they had a Docker. I thought they had like a Docker option. I mean, you can just like straight set it up pretty easy, huh? Maybe we just try it. Let's just try it. Oh. 1 sec. New terminal, new terminal. Something's wrong with my terminal like history file. It keeps like yelling at me. It's fine. I'm sure it's fine. Oh, let's see how long this takes. My internet today. Okay. That was pretty easy, actually. So we gotta actually create. So when we're working with this, we have to actually like build something to sync the data basically to the search server, basically like the Meli search server. That's like the biggest lift, I think, realistically. Like everything else should be pretty easy. So let's see here. I don't really want analytics. I don't care about that stuff. Look, you can actually do like federated searches. That's so cool. Multiple requests at the same time. Return results from multiple queries into a single list. That's actually pretty sweet. That's really cool because then you can do like the fuzzy search where it'll pull back like, did you mean company or person or whatever? That's pretty sick. Here's what we need to do though. The real thing is I need to understand how do we build ranking scores. How do we import stuff? I know there was like the create. Oh, one of the other cool things we can do is geo search. There's like a way. Isn't sure. So you can do like natural language queries. So I can be like carriers near me, and it'll like convert it, which is cool. See this? Once we normalize addresses and search carriers, this is so going in there. What are tasks? Add documents to an index. Okay, start by creating an index and add a large number of times. Okay. It will add it to a queue. Oh, so this already this automatically happens. Oh, that's cool. So then, I'm wondering how I guess we just AI powered search, open AI. Look at this, open AI key. Just drop it in. Dude, this might be really cool. All right, documents. How do we do this? So here's the documents are individual items that make up the data set. Each document is an object with one or more fields. So we have a primary key and a document identifier, and then the primary field. Okay. And then we've got an attribute and a value and regular fields. Okay, as expected. All values must be valid JSON data types. Interesting. Good to know. If the value is a string, it can only have 65. Okay, that's a good limit to know. Just by default, all fields in a document are displayed and searchable. Displayed fields are contained. Okay, so we want to be able to split that up probably. Using the update settings endpoint. Okay. Uploads to. Okay. Oh. So we're gonna have to split this. Melee search uses a lot of RAM. That's not surprising. Good thing we got Hetzner now. Good thing. Accepts data sets. Okay. So Hetzner login time. Can't wait to leak that. What's a cast? What's this? Oh, like the cast of the movie. Got it. I don't know what ND JSON is, or JSON lines objects. Consists of individual lines where each individual line is a valid JSON text. Oh, interesting. I've never heard of this before. It also does CSVs. That makes sense. Okay. Auto batching combines similar consecutive operations. Batches. Okay. Got it. Okay. So, like, how do I... Okay, I saw this. Or, wait, no, where did I see it? Self-hosted. Maybe it was here. Log levels. There's a lot in here. I'm excited. This is going to be sweet, I think. I'm following. I think it's making sense. So we got securing your project. I'm curious how this works. The master key is the most important step to secure your project. Okay. Generates a master key for each project. Oh, wait, that's cloud. Self-hosted. So that was when that. Okay. So we generate a key. When your project creator manager automatically generates two keys, a default search key and an admin key. Okay, so I'm guessing the search keys will be put in the project, and then the admin keys for admin operations. Maybe I could probably create like an admin page if I want to. I guess we create other keys for admin management even. Token tenant keys. I mean, we don't really need any of that. The thing I don't understand... Yeah, let's see if it says in here. Don't use Azure main database. That's... Yeah, please. Here we go. Keeping it up to date. No. I meant, like, the documents. Do I need to re-upload every day? Like, do I drop it all and start again? It's time to break out. I guess well, let's go with ChatGPT. How do I keep documents in Melee Search up to date as things change over time? There's also Postgres plugins we probably can use, but I don't want to really like do that. I kind of want to just learn. Real-time sync. Use your app's data lifecycle, such as Laravel, Eloquent events to keep it updated. Add the new document using add document, reindex the document, remove. So if I add on update, oh, so you just do an index add. So I just have to add a, that feels really heavy though, because there's potentially like hundreds of thousands. I think we're just gonna want to do, I kind of feel like we should just do like a once a night reindex for now, like in search carriers if we did it. Yeah, Debezium is the one I was thinking of, that I was just mentioning. Yeah, change data capture. Yeah, we could just add all the documents. There's potentially like millions of documents in search carriers. We could, I mean, we should have an updated at field. We could check and just like index any companies that have related fields that updated. We could probably do that. So for testing purposes, let's just, do they have like a demo I can do? I mean, I know we got this one, right? Where'd it go? Install yarn up dev. Set up your, oh, right. See, I think this is gonna make it too slow though. So we can use Laravel Scout to do this. The problem is, if we do this, it's completely dependent on Laravel model lifecycle. Which means if we ever do updates directly in the database, it won't be captured, and it'll be out of sync. There's also type sense, but I think we're gonna, I think it's the same situation. I guess we can just see how slow it is. Let's do this. Let's create a new test project. Laravel new test search. I don't care that much. I guess let's go React because we've been using it. I don't even know if we need a backend. We might just do it all through Tinker. But here's my thought. We go grab the company census file. Let me just download it. Census. Would you like? Sure. Here we go. I think everybody's probably seen this at this point, some point. Company census file. So let's just download this guy. We'll keep it simple here. So let's go. Download. Wait, I thought there was like a download here. Crazy. Census file. Yes. I had issues with this working, so it might not work. This isn't what I was actually after. I wanted. Where is it? You know what? Let's just go with this one. That's fine. I actually don't care that much. Sure. That's fine. What we're gonna do is just create like a really quick migration to like dump this in, basically. Underworld, is my stream still chopping up? Let me know if it is. I'm gonna if it is, and when I stream on Thursday, I will change the resolution. Oh, I know it's chopping up. I see the drops. Dang. Oh, Spectrum is doing me dirty, man. Oh, okay. Okay, good. I think I'm still gonna make that change anyway, but. Loads. Actually, let's go. What cursor? One sec. Cursor takes a second to load. There it goes. Okay. And we'll throw this into here, I guess that's fine. Okay, here we go. So we have our little app going. I think I could go composer dev. Oh, see the thing I was talking about? It's something in my history is broken. Localhost. Oh, wait. There we go. Oh, I have sail up. That's right. Okay. So we've got our test. What we don't really need this even. What I want to do really quick is just create. I guess we'll use PHP artisan make command. Oh my gosh, it's so annoying. Import carriers. And then also PHP artisan make migration. I have no idea what I just did. Make migration. Create carriers table. And then we'll go create carriers table. Okay. And then we'll just go. Oh, I guess I need to open this again, actually. It is. Okay, this one. I'm just gonna have AI make this table for me. Let's just go back in here. Carriers model will be based on the CSV import I will run. These are the fields that will be there. Just make the table match one-to-one with the CSV. Okay. Yeah, so we'll just like, I just want to like dump this into the database. I don't care about making it look pretty, and we'll just kind of work backwards. This is obviously very similar to what search carriers will do, but search carriers data is a lot more cleaned up and complicated. Well, maybe I guess less complicated. It's more complicated because all the relationships are actually there. Anyway. Okay. Remove any string length requirements and make them text fields. I don't, there's no point. It's going to be broken at like line 4 million or whatever, and then it'll all fail. I don't care. Just make it a text field. It's fine. We're not here for that. We're not here for that. We're just trying to get the scaffolding so we can make search look really cool. Okay. Great. Looks great. And then artisan make model carrier. I guess we'll make a oh, okay. Carrier. I want to do a resource controller. I don't think it did what I was hoping it would do. It's okay. Now update carrier with the fields. So I think when we do this for search carriers, I'll create a job that just looks for any carriers that were updated or created from the data runs that night and have it automatically update the search database with the relevant reindex. Yeah. Okay. So we can use Scout, I guess. Maybe we'll use Scout. Let's take a look here. We need this. Okay. So we're gonna pull in Scout, which will just make it a little bit easier. I think we're gonna get rid of that. Where am I going? Here we go. So we gotta do this. So we need to go. We should probably create another one of these and go. Actually, we probably don't need to. May. Oh, okay, we didn't do that. Getting started. Was self-hosted in here? I don't remember. I guess not. It doesn't look like it. Self-hosted. Here we go. A sample master key. That feels really secure. Oh. Got it. Okay. Okay. Wait, can I? Is there a UI on this? I didn't expect that. A sample master key. Wow, I really didn't expect this, actually. Can I create keys from here? Wow, this is actually, it's nice that they have something. Okay, cool. We need to create is a master key, but it says we want to create like an API key, right? That's what it said. The database path, environment variables, configuration file. Wait. Okay. There we go. Default value is development. Okay. I'm just trying to see, like, how do I create a key? Security. Self-hosted. API keys. Wait. Oh, here we go. Okay. Use your master key to query the keys endpoint. Okay, but how do I add one? Or I guess there is one. was it? A sample master key. Okay. that history is goofy. Wait, what's wrong? Oh, that URL is not real. What is it? Export. Man, I'm feeling rusty. URL equals I can't remember what it is. This. No. Okay, localhost 7700. Wait, that's not what I want either. Okay, that's not helpful. Got it. Got it. Okay. I'm getting there, bros. Here we go. Boom. We did it. Okay. Here we go. Got it. Search key. Key. .env. Okay. Now, back to Scout. That's what we need. Boom. Wait, did I say master key? I don't... They specifically say not to use the master key, so I'm surprised that's what they suggest in here. Yeah, it's a little surprising. Okay. Did that. Did that. Oh, we gotta install Scout too, probably. Yeah, let's do that. Oh my gosh. I gotta figure out what that is. My history. That's goofed. Okay. Okay, so now I got carrier. Okay, so we need to create a... Okay, we did that. Let's say go in here. Update import carriers to import all the carriers from the carriers.txt. Okay. From the private app storage file carriers.txt based on the CSV as expected. Hopefully it'll just do that for us too. That'd be awesome. Then we just run that. Okay. And then we need to do this. Scout. Okay, wait. Did we do that? Scout. No, it's not in there. We gotta publish. Where they at? There we go. Publishing configs. Jump to Scout. Okay. I don't care. Sure. Yeah, we want to queue this. Okay. Oh, cool. Nice. It'll auto filter. That's super useful for load partner TMS. We might use that in the future. Okay, cool. How's this thing doing? Wait, no way, it's done already, right? That'd be crazy. Clean field. What do you think? Will it work? I feel like it won't work. Artisan. What was it? Oh, it gave it to us already. Oh, wait. Can I do, like, all? Let's do 50. Chunk equals 50. That'd be crazy if it works first try. Okay. I was gonna be so surprised. It's bulk, I bet. Oh, actually. It's simpler than that. Wait, really? It's cooking. Claude 4 is on it today, boys. Whoa. Let's go. Look, it's got the progress bar going and everything. What? How did it even do that? Wait, how did it even do that? What's up? I don't know which project, but this project's going pretty good so far. We're trying to do we're adding melee search. Melee search. We're tinkering with it. getting it set up in a Laravel environment. So importing a whole bunch of carrier information right now, so that we can try indexing it and see what happens. It's looking pretty good, actually. Oh yeah, no, the one I've been streaming, Load Partner, is going good. So yeah, so we're working on Load Partner TMS is like the main thing I stream. It's probably launching on Thursday's stream, so it's going good. We've got some early partners that are super interested that we're moving forward with, got dedicated instances up and everything. But yeah, Thursday it should go live where you can actually go sign up for it. So we'll be doing that on Thursday. But it's going good. Yeah, we're there. Melee search, yeah. But today I'm messing with getting search with Melee search going. Yeah, look, it even did progress bars. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I don't really want to break it while it's running. Also, it's going pretty quick though. We're at 22% already. Okay. So we need to like then do a. Oh wait, there was a job to do this, I think. Here, right? Hold on. If you're installing in the Myriad database records, you want to import Scout. Oh, we can literally import them. Wait. Oh, this is built in. Come on, that's awesome. Wait, it's literally built in though. That's sick. I wonder how fast it's gonna be. We're gonna have 1.7 million rows. Feels like a good test number. So let's do this. Let's go. I kind of want to import. I don't want to break it. Let's import Laravel actions. Closer. I don't remember what it is. Laravel actions. What is it? This one. That history is so broken. It's so funny. Don't break this. Don't break this. Don't break this. We're good. We're good. Okay. And then I can go. Wait, what's this? Oh, IDE helper. I don't care. PHP artisan make action. Can I do that? Is that? Yeah. Okay. So then I think we're gonna go like search carrier. Search carriers. Yeah, that's a bit on the nose, isn't it? It's fine. I think let's go string search. And then it's gonna be like, how do we do it? Searching. Search, get. I mean, this is literally it. That's amazing. So we just go. Oh wait. See, this is where I might break something. We'll try it. We've got to do this. Use searchable. And then we also need to do searchable data. Two array form of given model will be persistent. That's fine. Oh, make sure numerics are the right types. I think for now we're fine. That's good enough. That might break stuff. Okay, cool. We're good. Ooh, I didn't see that, but hopefully we're fine. The log file's probably like massive. Let's find out. Logs. Oh no, it's not in here. Okay, cool. It's just a warning. This file's huge. That's fine. Not a big deal. Where are we at? 50%. We're halfway. This will be a good test. Also, it's SQLite, so like it's gonna be that much slower. What other stuff can we do in here? Can we actually like, write a query? Is that possible? Options. Oh yeah, wait. Here we go. Please consult the documentation. Oh yeah, didn't they have like a Laravel section in here? I think they did. Hold on. Yes. You can do ranking scores and stuff too. Like there's so much cool stuff you can do in here. Oh, it's so cool. Synonyms. Ooh, experimental features. I wonder what that is. Like, what kind of stuff? Oh, here we go. Metrics. Oh, Prometheus, nice. Replication. Ooh, contains. Thousands concurrent search requests. I mean, that's pretty good. So Debezium, going back to this while that's running, is a way, if you're familiar with Postgres and like write-ahead logs, Debezium is basically a way for you to automate when so the way write-ahead logs work in Postgres is when a row updates, it actually captures like what updated, like field 1 changed from A to B, and you can read those logs and automate stuff out of them basically. And so Debezium will actually read your logs from Postgres from the write-ahead log and can automate seeing that Postgres said, oh, A changed to B, and then making that update into other places. I set it up once, but it's been a long time. Like over 5 years. But yeah, it's kind of cool. Might check it out. Might be useful. So once this is done, let's see, search carrier. So now we can go carrier. What was it? Search. Get. Is that it? I think that's literally it. I wonder if there's other stuff we can do in there, though. Surely, right? Let's go back. There we go. Make model searchable under certain conditions. Yeah, like soft delete, I guess, probably takes care of that, I would think. Pagination, this is important. Oh, nice. Just takes care of it. Amazing. I mean, this is pretty straightforward, honestly. I have a feeling we're going to want to do more like melee search specifics, though. Here we go. This is what I was looking for. Or if they have any other like unique stuff in here they mention. Yeah, add additional fields. Configure which attributes are filterable and sortable. Okay. Sync index, okay. I mean, the AI chat could be cool. I wonder how it works. Where was it? Was it at the top? I think it was maybe at the top. Multi-search. Was it like under a different section? There we go. AI powered, yeah. So how does this work? Follow the quick start. create a kitchenware index. Okay. Oh, there's their examples they have. Oops. Generate your embeddings. Okay, so this would be ultra expensive for search carriers because we'd have to embed all of the. We'd have to make embeddings for all of the like millions of rows. That'd be like extreme. I would go broke. You can probably use a different one though. So. Oh, prop template. That's cool. So, Melee search embedders only accept text input, but documents can be complex objects. You need to convert your documents into a single text field. Right, because that's what's going to be embedded. So, like, you would want to say, like, a motor carrier that runs hazmat freight located in Georgia and blah, blah, blah. That's what you would want to, like, embed. That could be sweet, actually. Tier 2 and up. I have this. I think there's a way to do like related stuff too, right? Or am I crazy? Is that AI only? Wait, this... Oh, because it's probably like rankings. Relevancy. Here we go. A ranking rule stored as a so. Bucket sort. So wait, just for comparison, TypeSense is the other one I mentioned. Let's just take a glance through the docs here. Oh. Comparison. What do we got? Okay. Additional sort orders require duplicate indices in both. Okay. Smaller data sets for cases where high availability is not required. Does not have a multi-node clustering or node. Ooh. Those are some big words. Not production ready. Wow. Dang, that's feisty. See, good use cases for TypeSense. Documents that are similar using vector search, multi-tenant, geosearch semantics. Yep. Bad use cases. Data stores and for searching application. Okay. I mean, we can try both. Like, what's the guide to set up? It's probably not that much work to switch it over. Installing TypeSense. Sign in with Git. Oh, wait, no. Local machine. They have a Docker instance. They just have like a local setup. Seems like it should be easy. They do. So we can run some comparisons. Let's do it. Let's run some comparisons once it's done here. We should be okay. We're done. Cool. Or wait, no, sorry. All right. So if I go PHP artisan, we should have all of them imported now. It's so annoying. Carrier count. Okay, we're in there. All right, so we have carriers. Oh, let me just get one to make sure it doesn't look stupid. Oh gosh, that's not a good sign. Okay, we're good. Cool. So yeah, we got a bunch of BS data in here. Right? Okay. So now we got let's start with melee search and see what we got going on. So boom, we're live. Everything should be good to go. So should we go, what was the command? Let's do the import. I feel like this is probably gonna take a second, but let's find out. Batch import, and I want to do this for app models carrier. So we want to go carrier. What do you think? It's going pretty quick, actually. It's going a lot faster than I thought it was going to. That's not bad at all. We can do that on prod for search carriers if it's this fast. So we should be able to just search here in a second. Okay, that wasn't bad. So if I go PHP Artisan Tinker, and then I go app actions search carriers.p or sorry run. I don't know. Integrity Express. Just go with an easy one. Index carriers not found. Okay. Carrier search. Composer dump. Wait, do I need to do something? Did I miss a step? Oh, is it not done yet, maybe? Hold on. Is it like still going? You know what? I bet it's still going. Because remember it said it like batches all this? Here we go. Look, there's no... It's like still going. Okay, wait, let me jump over here really quick. Installation. We did this. We turned this on, I think. Wait. Oh, it's still trying to catch up. Hold on, I'm just gonna redo this, because... Okay. The key is invalid. Okay, we are getting issues. So it just queued all those. It didn't actually do them. Although, why is the key invalid? Because... Composer, PHP Artisan, optimize, clear. Wait, this was it, wasn't it? Or no? Wait, what? Does it have to? Oh, it does have to be the master key probably because it's creating indexes. Okay, hold on. Let me think about this. We want to go PHP Artisan. How do I delete everything? PHP Artisan DB. Delete from jobs. Delete from failed jobs. Okay. We got to run that again. Oop. We need to import it again. Okay. And while this is running, hold on, let me go here. It's so annoying. I need to go Composer. I don't know why this happens. Probably related to my history that's broken. There we go. Uh-oh. Databases. Oh, there's multiple jobs running. You know what? Maybe we should... Or wait, no, this should be... No, SQLite database is locked. I gotta use the restroom really quick. I think what we might do, maybe we'll move it to Postgres. I do actually have a Postgres instance locally. So maybe I'll just add a user and we can do that. That way we don't run into this, because this is gonna take forever. Because I think it's literally doing it one at a time. So what is 30 milliseconds times 1.7 million? I think it's a lot. I think it's a very large number. So, give me a second, use the restroom. We'll let this run for a minute.
keeps getting colder. Yeah. If I don't heat up, I swear I'll die alone. Who I could have been, what I could have done if I had known. It's like I got my hands tied inside out. It's like I'm stuck in standby. If I knew how, then I could fucking leave this all behind. If I knew how. It's like I got my hands tied inside out. It's like I'm stuck in standby. If I knew how, then I could fucking leave this all behind. If I knew how.
Yeah, I think this is gonna take forever. We can actually look. You want to see how bad it's gonna be? So we can go PHP Artisan DBs. I gotta fix this. Hold on. How the heck do I fix this? How do I fix this? Probably just remove it. How about we just do this? Okay. Select count from jobs. What is so 5 minutes or so? Actually, it's let's mess with other stuff. We'll let it run. It might actually not be that bad. Why is it? What? Why? Oh my gosh, it's so broken. Count jobs. I mean, it's going pretty quick. Maybe we'll let it run. It might take like 5 minutes. That'll be quicker than me trying to do it another way, probably. So let's let it run. I think we should try TypeSense though. So like, we should set this up, I'm thinking. Let's take a look at some of the stuff we got going on here. Cookbooks, queries, natural language. Here we go, walkthrough, Laravel. So, oh, they actually have a prepped one, huh? That's cool. Install Laravel Scout, migrate. Okay. Okay. This is all. So then we use the same idea, right? Searchable array with Scout. So then define the collection schema. So we have to define the schema, I guess. I wonder what a facet is. Should we go through the intro? Key features. Typo tolerance, okay. Simple and delightful. Is that a feature? I don't know. Like, seems like a weird number 2 feature. That feels like number 10, you needed a 10 and you put this as the 10th one. Okay, anyway. Facets and filtering, grouping, vector search. I mean, it's just embeds, right? Built-in rec. Send questions to TypeSense. Oh, and have the response be fully formed sentence. Ooh, I like that. Wait, does that come like out of the box? Because that actually would be pretty cool. Filler feature number 2. I know, right? What the heck? Was that one of the ones I opened? Natural language. Okay, car data set. Google LLM. Here's a sample. Show me the most powerful car. Ooh. Wait. Is this like they're gonna show me how to like feed this to the AI, or is it like built in? That's my question. Like, is this actually handled? That's a lot of steps. Okay, wait, here we go. Generated query. Gen kit. Is that like something that they're pulling in, or is that like... Also, do they have like... data flow? Take the natural language query, send it to the LLM with specific instructions on how to convert this into a type sense search query. I mean, it's... So it's not really built in. It's just saying, like, you could do it. I mean, we could do that with anything. So anyway, you gotta define all the facets and all this stuff looks like. Fields. I don't know what a facet is. That's what I was hoping to find. Look at that. Frequently asked questions. What is prefix search? What is it? Okay, got it. Follow. Okay. What's a facet? I mean, I know I've like ran into that in other... That's like a data analytics thing. I still don't know what it means. Like, what is that versus like a field? A grouping? Where's our chat? What is a facet in type sense? A field in your documents that you mark as so users can filter and refine based on that field. Got it. Okay. Okay. So when you define it in here, you're just saying this can be filtered additionally against that. But you can't do like minimum owners. Okay, so you do all that. You create... Got it. So you could search by this. Query by app ID. Oh, wait, what is this? Thanks, Chase Shakes. Oh, nice. Thanks, Chase. Gifted subs. Let's go. Nice. I haven't heard that sound before. It's so delayed on my side, I feel like. I see the chat for like a few seconds and then the sound comes over. How are we looking over here? 300 left, we're almost there. What is that picture? Oh, text match score bucketing? When sorting by text match score, types in are two approaches to bucket your results: buckets and bucket size. Research and mark. With a bucket size 3, group results into buckets of 3 records. Like, what does it look like then? Interesting. There's so much to do in here with like I mean, you can use this for like social algorithms even, I think, right? I think so. 71. We're almost there. If this thing isn't like instantly like instant, I'll be unimpressed. I want to see what this is. An adapter uses instant search JS library with a type sense. Is this like a React like drop-in component or something? Yeah, live demo. I had to click so many times. This is what I was trying to get to. Sure. Transpiling modules. Okay. So then if I go like, yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, that's pretty nice. Yeah, that's pretty nice. All right, I think we're there. All right, let's try it. So now we go here. PHP. Oh gosh, not this again. I gotta like. I don't know what causes that. It's really weird. It's like when I go into the DB shell, it like goofs my terminal. Anyway, carrier. Oh wait, what was it? It was. I mean, I guess I don't need to really do all this, but actions, search, carrier, run, integrity, express, carriers. That was actually really fast. Wait, that was actually pretty good. That was cooking. Hey, thanks for the follow. Oh, wait. Wait, it's H-top, right? I wanted to see. Oh, wait, can I go here? Can I see? Whoa. Oh, I can even search in here. Transfix. Well, look at how fast that searches. Transfix. Wait, that's crazy. Look, and it finds things that are similar. That's so fast. Okay, but wait, what about like... I think there's a transfix like this. Then what happens? Finds it. Dude, wait, that's so fast. It did take a while to index all that, though. And we have more than that in the... I mean, what are the things we're indexing, though, right? Like... But that's so quick. Like, I don't even know. Give me one to... What should I look up? Give me one. Like, I don't know, that's so fast. What about like, TQL? What comes back? Is it TQL? Or it's probably not. It is. Wait, how did that even come back though? Oh, DBA name is TQL. That's why. Dang. Dang, that's so fast. That's so fast. How about like Ohio? It's Business City, Ohio. So we'd have to figure that out, right? Because you'd have to be like Cincinnati. But if I go like Cincinnati, Ohio, what happens? Ohio Freight Cincinnati. Yeah, it's going by mostly name. Do React and PHP work well together? Do React and PHP work well? Like, it's tough task to manage both languages. Yeah, they work really well. There are a couple options. So I'm using Inertia generally, which helps kind of connect the two sides together through the controllers. So let's see, I probably actually have, I'm sure there's like filler ones that are already in here. Let's see, yeah. So it works like this. So you just go like Inertia render and the name of your component, and it'll just render a page with that component on it. And then if you need to pass data to it, is there examples? Yeah, like this. You do render component, and then you can, this is literally PHP, it'll basically like JSON encode these essentially and pass them in. So the page will just load with this component with these props passed in, which makes it kind of nice. Get a little bit of the monolith experience while using both of them still. What if I put in a DOT number 490776? So like, yeah, why did this one come up first? Oh, because the ID was 490776. Okay, wait. So I probably want to go carrier. So this is where we would want to do, I guess we would want to like exclude the ID, right? That's so fast though. Is there like, that's pretty good. You want to do some comparisons? Hold on. Let's do some comparisons. So like, if I come over here and I go like, I don't know, what's a good one? I don't know. Oh. Look how slow this is right now. Ugh. That's a good one where it's like, that's so slow. Right? It's rough. But that comes back with this test rake bros. This is one of my test ones I've run before. Right? So then if I go back here, and I go test rake. If this is test rake bros number 1 and it's instant like that. Oh, look, it's actually, oh, it's the second one, right? Yeah. So it ordered them differently. Assuming this is going to be the other one. Probably. Oh no, look, it's something different. Test Express. Test Drive. Okay, wait, now I want to go over here and try it. So I go test rake. Actually, let's do this. Can I go... let's just go carrier, search, test rake, look. And then I want to go legal name, EVA name. Let's just try this. DOT number. Oh, I can't. I guess I just gotta go like this then. So like this. Am I wrong? There we go. I thought I could do... Am I crazy? Is it like this? I don't know what I'm doing. Doing wrong here. I thought it was like... Okay, that's fine. Let's do this. What am I doing wrong? I thought... Oh, it's just empty. I got it. Is it not DOT number? Thought it was. Oh, US DOT number apparently in here. Of course. Okay, so this is the test rake one, right? Is it in? Are they in the top? Any like where are they? Test. I don't see them. Wait, do they have an authority? I mean, I thought so. They don't have an MC number. Got it. Not in there. That's why. Okay, so bad example. How about if I go Cincinnati, Ohio, what happens? Oops. Did not mean to do that. First of all, it's very slow. And look at, like, that's horrible. Why is that? Like, that's a terrible result set. Right? I feel like all of these should be, like, transformed. So if I do that here... Actually, maybe it's better to do this. Four milliseconds. That's 1.7 million rows. How is that even possible? Four milliseconds? What? That's crazy. That's crazy. Okay, so then here's the other thing, though. We need to be able to say... I don't know how this works, but, like, can I go, like, search... Hold on, let me just go back to here, actually, first. Dude, people are having their minds blown if we roll this out. Where clauses. So, these only support basic numeric equality checks. Is this acceptable? I think so. If you're using, filterable attributes. Okay. So we would have to do this. So index, we gotta do this. So I gotta scout. Right. So it'd have to be like this. And this would be carrier. I'm thinking like, for example, like radius search. Or I mean like all the drop down stuff, right? Like business state code. Business state code and I don't know. Sure. Let's just try that first. So like what happens there? Do I have to like sync my index now, right? I think so. I thought there was like a sync thing we had to do. Here we go. What's this under? Configuring index. Wait, that's Algolia. Oh, maybe we don't have to do that here? Oh, you can search by specific things. That's useful. Oh, it's a type sense thing. That could be useful. I don't know. Type sense might be better. I think we need to try type sense out. Look up trucking. Oh, yeah, that's going to be a rough one. It's so slow. Oh my gosh, it's painful. Okay, well, there you go. 483,000 results. And then if I go here, I go trucking. So 6 milliseconds. The first result is a company whose DBA is literally trucking, apparently. There's another one. Wait, is that the same company? No. How did they get that approved? Like, who signed off on, yeah, they could do business as trucking? That's goofy. Oh, that's what these are, too. I didn't even notice before. That's horrible. How does paging work then? So like if I go paginate, and then it's per page, we'll say 10, and then it doesn't matter, sure, and then page is gonna be page, and we'll go int page. What are we unhappy about? Oh. Okay, so now if I go... Oh, I gotta go like this. Trucking. To array? Is that what I want? There we go. It's so fast. So, I mean, I can go trucking. Page 2. Dude, that's so fast. We gotta see if the actual results are good enough now, basically. Like, that's the main thing. Give me... Yeah, I just don't know. I mean, what's a scenario of like a search term that could be goofy? I want to try to figure out if there's like actual... What was... You had some Eldorado when I first launched. It didn't really work. Oh, it was like DNL or something, right? Does it not work now? Did I break it at one point? D and E, that's what it was. D and E. Logistics. I might have broke it again. It is broken again? Dang. Alright, well it's moment of truth, I guess then, huh? If this works, then it's gonna we're making the switch. Page 1. Actually, I don't. Yeah, whatever. Page 1. What do you think? It works. Out of the box. First result. Dang. Dude, it works so much better. All right. That's what it's getting switched. It's getting switched. So then the next thing that we have to do, yeah, it does, except for not in this one. Not over here. The other thing I want to do is check, can I go like for example, this one is D&E Logistics and their docket number. Let's see if this works. So I should be able to go search D&E where docket number get. Okay, that's not gonna work because I didn't have it filterable. So I gotta go here. And I gotta go docket number. I think I gotta like do something else though still. Yeah, I gotta like, so I think I gotta sync these somehow. How the heck do I sync these? Am I in the right place? Scout. Sync. Here we go. What section is this under? Configuring index settings for Algolia. Oh, here we go. Yeah, so we gotta run this. Say. Maybe it's just a permissions thing? No. Docket number. It's not filterable. Wait, it's right. Can I see anything about this index or no? No, this is very basic. Okay. I have a feeling it's not like done or something. Okay, I wonder if it's done now. Hold on, let's try it. Yeah, it just took a second. I mean, so there it is. So you could filter by docket number, by DOT number. I'm trying to think, are there other fields? So like, for example, can I do comparisons? I don't think so. Like I can't do greater than, I think. Only support basic numeric equality checks. Numeric. Yeah, I think there was something about this in TypeSense too. Should we try TypeSense out really quick? And do the comparison? Filtering results. So this is where... How does like TypeSense versus Melee Search resource requirements? I can't type today. Oh no. Oh yeah, I see it. It's dropping again. So annoying. See if it recovers. We're back? Okay, nice. Dude, that was a rough one. It went really bad that time. I'm gonna have to contact them. Hey. Painful, man. They're the worst. They really are. Mostly what I was wondering is what does like the resource requirements look like? These guys are going back and forth, it looks like. They have a whole TypeSense like blog post. So Melee Search uses disk space for primary with a memory map database allows isolate one of the relevant parts of the database. So wait, like live product catalogs for streaming. See, I think we might be alright with this. Yeah, see, like indexing speed and search relevance is important for me. Like, I like how TypeSense article on Melee Search was they chose a bad path for their design and it's caused issues, and then like the opposite is the same exact point for the other company. Do you value the ease of use of third-party tools like these over the cost of doing it yourself? Well, I mean, I'm still gonna have to build it. It's all free. It's just like a software. I'm using the open. I'm using the self-hosted one. So like that's what I'll do on search carriers too, is I'll set it up. The question is really about if how much resources they need, because I have to set a server up to do that. Oh, what is this? Wait. Hold on, Melee Search only takes a maximum of 10 words per search into account. Interesting. We also impose constraints on maximum number of words per attribute, and document per index. Okay, that's 4 billion is fine. I think we should try TypeSense. I think we need to try TypeSense. Let's do it. I don't think it's gonna be that hard. Let's do it. It's gonna be like the same steps, basically. So the cool thing with search carriers with implementing this is we can just have the fallback use the old search, which will be cool. So let's get typesets going. So user directory. Okay, I think I just want to install it. Yeah, I think we just install it just like we did with. Yeah. Oh, it's free. I thought it's like some dumb more than X you pay. No, it's you can self-host and there's no price. I mean, I'll double check the license, I guess, but I'm pretty sure. Okay, TypeSense key. What was it? A sample master key. Okay, we did it. That was easy. Wonder if it actually works. Was that really it? Wonder what the default connections are. Oh, here we go. See if it worked. Okay, we're online. So then we just go env. Let's go. We gotta do the whole thing with Scout again really quick. I don't know how long it'll take. TypeSense. I gotta do this. And then we gotta do this. Wait. Fine. A sample master key, I guess. I don't know. Oh, composer, dev. That's, yeah, that's good. Okay. And then I think we gotta go this again. Okay, it's really broken. It was like Scout something. I can't remember. Artisan Scout. No? Okay, I don't remember. Import. What was it? It was. I don't know why it didn't work. Carrier. Oh, sorry, I missed. Oh, did I go down again? Jeez. Era made a tutorial. Yeah, I saw that. I mean, I didn't actually look at it, but I saw there was a tutorial. So, it's cool. Am I making like a bunch of posts on Twitter from this, actually? From this going down and coming back online? I haven't looked. Probably. Stupid freaking thing. No, just one duplicate. Delete. Alright, let's see. How long is this thing gonna take? DV, select. Wait, it says it's been, okay. Let's just see. I have a feeling it's not. Yeah, that's what I expected. And it's broken. Oh, we have to, okay, wait, hold on. Delete, oh my gosh. It's so broken. Hopefully I don't have any typos. Oh my gosh. Okay. New terminal. Should be empty. Okay, cool. Cool. Alright. So that's broken. We forgot a step. There's like more configuration you gotta do. Remember, we gotta go like type sense. We gotta do oh, you must define a 2 searchable array. Okay. So we got to do that. System over carrier. So we have to do, oh gosh. We have to do this. And then complete this is fine. Hey, thanks for the follow. Hopefully you're getting a kick out of all the search comparisons. Thanks for bearing with the stream drops. Oh. No, make the individual fields mostly the same still. Searchable address. Wow, that sucks. That's a horrible suggestion. Complete the searchable array based on the props available. That was the auto model, which is probably some trash cursor thing. I don't know. Watch, thought it's gonna do way better. Or it'll let me down, I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure it'll do better. Anything's possible. Oh, this looks much better. Okay. Is address status a field? It is, okay. Sure. Looks great. Looks great. Okay. I don't know why you... Okay. I mean, that's kind of a stupid way to do this, but it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. This is the thing I was thinking about. Okay. Oh, do we not have to... I thought we had to, like, define stuff for type sense. Maybe not. Let's just try it. Okay. Dang. Okay. Wow, it's going a lot slower this time, right? I think so. Almost there. Almost there. Hey, we're at 70 followers. Let's go. Pumped up. Heck yeah. Oh, wait, I just did that. I want composer dev. And then I want to go to layer by logs and see if it fails. It does. Okay. What's wrong? Parameter fields is required. Okay, yeah. I thought so. Isn't there like... what am I missing? Configuring... I thought that'd be in here. Did I skip it? You should also here we go. That's what I was thinking of. Okay, yeah, this is what I was thinking. So we gotta go to Scout. And then we gotta go here. And say, define the schema for the carrier. Searchable class. Or type sense. So that's kind of a pain, but I mean, I guess you can add and remove fields there to make it easy. Yeah. Do the thing. Do the thing.
Telling myself just to let it be. Showing no tell you don't wanna see.
This is kind of an annoying step.
Suffer through hell so poetically.
Like, I don't think I want this. The rest of this is probably fine. But I have to have things that are... Oh, wait, query by... that might be okay, actually. Okay. So let me go PHP. Okay, yep. Let's just get ahead of it. PHP artisan DB, delete from jobs. Okay. Okay, get out of there. And then PH... It's like, I think it's that command specific that like breaks my terminal. PHP artisan, scout, import, and it was app, models, carrier. Okay. We're gonna get all the imports going. And then we'll run them, and I think it'll take like 5 minutes probably, like I did last time. So you need to run if you need to change the schema after it's been defined, you need to run a flush and an import. You have to re-import everything. Got it. Okay. Okay. What? Document ID field should be a string. Oh, we do have to have an ID. Oh, frick. I have to do it again. Dang it. We do have to. I was just hoping it wouldn't be like searchable. Like we had that example earlier where it like searched by ID instead on accident. I was trying to avoid that. Might be something we can like exclude in the search or something though. I'm not sure. Or maybe we can. Can we make the DOT number the ID? Not sure. Probably shouldn't. It is just for search though, so maybe we could. Okay. PHP. Or sorry, Composer. You know what? Composer dev, please. What now? Documents ID field should be a string. I wonder if it's PHP Artisan Scout flush. So I gotta flush it probably first. Wait. Okay. Makes me nervous. I don't understand. Maybe it's because that job is already there. Delete. Okay. From jobs. So let's do. It's so annoying. I hate this. PHP Artisan Scout import app models carrier. This has definitely been more of a pain than Melee Search was. A lot more caveats. Although I don't know what that error is. If it happens again, then... Oh. That's probably the issue. I bet this is going to be too late, but we got to do it again anyway. Like, why would they not just... Yeah, that's probably what it is. It's probably broken though anyway. Let's see. We'll find out. Updated at must be an N64. Okay. Why would they not just build this in, right? Updated at. I don't understand. It should have a created at, but updated at could be empty. On null 129. Okay. So because they're null, I guess we'll just say now. I don't know. Sure. So it's gotta be now. Timestamp. Wait, it's not a. I think that's what I want. Oh my gosh, this is actually like kind of horrible. PHP Artisan Tinker. Because all of these have to be cast. So like common authority, make sure all the searchable array values are cast based on the schema and scout for type sense. Yeah, so this is actually, there's a lot of steps here that we got to skip on the other one, but also maybe the search will be better, so I don't know. Yeah, like bool. Yeah. Okay, wait, but like it's gonna be wrong. Cause see, like broker authority. I can't remember if it's a Y for yes or an A for active. I don't remember. Carrier, where, broker, authority. It's not equal. I. Shit. Oh wait, I lied. limit 10. Yeah. Okay. Broker authority is N, where broker authority does not equal N. Is it a Y or an A? It is an A. Okay. So we just need to make authorities authority will be an A if true, else false. And then these will be Y and N for pendings. So everything else will be a Y or an N. Everything else that is bool will be Y for true. That was false. Okay. That should do it, I think. I hope. Cast a string. Okay. Okay. Cool. Let's see if it works. What do we get? Okay, we're in business. PHP artisan DB select count on jobs. Oh, that's going a lot slower though. Like 3 a second ish. That's gonna take a while. I'm trying to think if we care. Because, I mean, I can always do regular searches on the database for other stuff. Like, for example, radius search. We can just do a where in zip codes. Right? What other stuff? These types, that's fine. Located in states, fine. I mean, that's like the big ones. I think we'll be fine. Oh, it's not taking that long. I did 400 already. It's probably it was probably hitting a bunch of those locks or something. I mean, it's definitely taking longer. Look, because it was like 30, 40 milliseconds. We're also on SQLite, so it'd also probably be faster on Postgres. And I could just throw like 10 workers at it, because it looks like it's doing them all one at a time. So just throw 10 workers at it, just have it multi-thread to death. 520. All right, yeah. Let's give this a few here. Should be. So if I have, I have 2,900 rows. They take each. How long will it take to? Actually, I think they're batches, right? So it's not actually individually. So about 5 minutes. Yeah, we'll just wait it out here. It's like I think they're batched. It's set in there, right? I think we can even change it. Maybe. Hold on. Where was it? Batch importing. Can use searchable using. Taking records. I don't know. I'm pretty sure it is batching, but I don't know how it handles it. Guess we'd have to just look. But we'll see. I think TypeSense does seem like it has some advantages in that... Well, first of all, the UI components are cool. It's pretty neat. It seems like they have a little bit more powerful stuff with like ranking stuff, which could be useful. You can choose to pin records by ID in particular ranking. You can set overrides. I mean, yeah, like that's pretty sick. Right? So you could like have paid advertisement slots or something. You could literally pay, you could actually have people pay premiums for like, specific search terms and be like, yeah, it's so many dollars a month, and it's like you'll show up at the top of TMS searches. It's pretty cool. Synonyms. I wonder if this works the same too, probably. Allows you to define search terms that should be considered equivalent. Yeah. That's nice. So is there like a TypeSense like UI or something? I feel like there should be one. Right? Feels like there should be one. I mean, I don't think crazy. What is this? Oh, nice. What was it? A sample master key. Did it work? Yeah. Oh, sick. Perfect. There we go. A little UI. Can I manage synonyms? This is one of the things I think is going to be add synonym. Yes. Amazing. Oh, this is great. Saving that. It's pretty cool. What is analytics? So what are the analytics? Are there actually like analytics on search terms and stuff you can do in here? That it like comes with out of the box? 'Cause that's cool. Search analytics. Your mother capturing and web is choice, okay. Hiring and instrumenting your search experience on the client side. Send additional data, okay. You can capture search analytics natively. Amazing. Very cool. So it's using 5 gigs? Is that what that says? Is that what that means? Or is that just like, I'm using 5 gigs? How are we looking over here? Halfway? Cool. Natural language would be cool, but it's kind of like you kind of got to build it. Semantic search. Create a collection. So here's we'd have to like, yeah, use a model. Are these okay? How about like, is there one I can put on my own machine?
She got so much left to prove, and you all doubted her.
Yeah. So you could probably host an embed,
Wish there was
an embedding model. That'd be nice. So do you have to product name?
say it's terminal. She live in the past, but she ain't got a future left. Try to fool
Keyboard.
away, and it's close to death. Soon she gon' show them all.
Very cool. A/B testing. They have so much in here. Query suggestions. Ah, popular queries collection in TypeSense. Here we go, syncing data. Polling your add and update it to everything in your thing. Prerequisites that are deleted. So this is probably what I'll do for search carriers. Just find things that are updated and do the import. I'm guessing Debezium probably is going to be mentioned in here somewhere. Actually, I don't see it. Maybe not. Oh, it's the same deal though. I've never heard of this one though. Sequin, the fastest CDC for Postgres. That's correct. Is it free? Okay. Is this for MySQL too? That'd be cool. No, it's specifically for, I mean, that makes sense. I like this. So you can use collection aliases to index. This is probably what I'll do on search carriers if we go TypeSense, which is you create a new collection with a collection alias. So that basically you'd have like whatever the search data set is. And then underneath it'd be like search data from, you know, June 9th. And then tonight it'll do June 10th. And then you just change the alias to point to the new one, delete the old. That way it's seamless. It's very cool. I like it. Yeah, I'm liking it. Almost there. And we'll see if it actually performs. If it does, I think I'm leaning towards TypeSense because it is a little more complicated, but I feel like it seems like there's a lot more going on here. And I'm gonna be done after this probably. This feels, I think we made some pretty good progress. We could run this side by side even actually with, can I do searches in here? I can. Nice. Okay, cool. Perfect. We're almost done. So we can do, I can start the Melee search server and we can do a side-by-side comparison of all the searches, which will be cool. $200 left. Yeah, this is gonna be pretty cool though. I'm excited. I mean, this UI is not the best, but I don't need it to look great. I just wanted something to look at, basically. And some minor management stuff, especially around like synonyms and stuff like that, potentially. Analytics rules might be interesting too. Tinker with that. And what was the hard one we tried? The D&E one? All right. I'm just gonna delete this. It's broken probably. So let's go. We got PHP Artisan, Tinker, and then let's just go out of the gate. D&E Logistics. Okay, so that works out of the gate. Great. So if we go D&E, whoops. I guess we'll go limit 10. Oh, I can't limit. Wait, how many did it return? A lot. Oh my gosh. 10 to array. There we go. Interesting. So it returned D and E. The search didn't do as well, at least out of the box, right? Like, what even is D and E in here? There's DE. Right? D and E logistics. DE logistics. Is the and getting removed or oh there it goes. D and E logistics. But then like what is this one? Sean D. Like, how did that get ranked higher than DE logistics group? Or even like isn't there another D and E with spaces? Like how did that not go higher? It's like an exact match almost. I wonder if there's default sorting field. Hold on. I wonder if default sorting field. Search. Ranking. Ranking and sorting parameters. So I think I'd want to sort by like a relevancy or something, right? A list of all the sort orders will be used for a separate use K. Yeah, so we want this. Wait, so can I go sort by? I think I can do that. Hold on. I don't want to re-index if we can avoid it, so I'm gonna go sorting. Is it in here? See, I didn't catch that it added that. I think we want to go like, is it here that we add it? Options? No. Is it like options, sort by, I think we want this. I have a feeling that's gonna fix it. Oh, well. So I want options, sort by text match. Okay. Oh, dang it, options. Sort by is malformed. Sort by. Oh. It's gonna be sort by text match. Descending. There we go. Okay. Let's see if this is better. It's gotta be, right? There's no way. There we go. D&E logistics. Okay, I'll give you that one maybe. I don't know about this one though. Logistics DE? How does that not pass? Like, how is D and E? Like, there's a D space and... Like, how is this not higher? Right? Oh, defaults, okay. The relative way to give each query by field when ranking results. So yeah, I think we need to maybe do some research on it. Seems like there's a lot more configurability here, but here we go. This is probably what I want. When sorting by text match score, that's what I'm using, right? Yes. Text type offers two approaches to bucket your results. Buckets and bucket. Both translated group results with similar relevance scores together. Okay. Yeah, so buckets parameter divides your results into a specific number of equal sized groups. Takes all matching results, divides them into the number of equal buckets. Forces all results within each bucket to have the same score. Okay, and then applies a secondary sort criteria. You have 100 results. Each bucket contains 10 results that have equal relevance, and then they'll be sorted. So that way you can, like, break it up. Okay, that makes sense. That way you can always guarantee you show, like, 3 users, and then 3 companies, and then 3 whatever. That makes sense. So, like, some of this is probably just that we need to, like... Yeah, I think we want to, like, rank... How do I rank... I wonder if... AI knows. How do I update the options here to give... Actually, is that in... Probably not. More weight to name, DOT number, docket number, or address field matches than the other fields. For this type sense, Laravel Scout response. What time is it? Fuck, I do have to get off here, but let's see if this gives us something, because this would be nice. Query by weights. Weights for DBA name. Legal. So is this is corresponding to the Scout? Okay. Got it. Okay. Let's see if that works. So now if I go here and I go app, actions, search, carriers, and I go D and... Oh, this is gonna be wrong. It's not a good sign that it didn't fix that, but it's okay. App, actions, search, carrier, oops, search, carriers, run, D and E, logistics. To array. To array. What is this output? What? Oh, great. My terminal's broken. Why'd it break that time? There we go. Okay. Wait, one result? Oh. D&E logistics. D logistics. Sean, okay. But my question is logistics DE. So see, you remember Melee Search brought back the D space E. D and like D space and space E one, which felt way better. And even here, it's like prioritizing a bunch of other stuff instead. Hold on. So now if I go D, how's this come back? E and D? Wait, is it not in here? Look, okay, look. D and E logistics. But like, how did E and D logistics come ahead of literally an exact match? Right? Do I need to like, is the sort wrong? Hold on, is my sort wrong for this? Like, what's weighted score? What did we do to add this? Query by weights. Okay, per field text scores are then used to arrive at a per document text match score is used to order documents sort by text match. Yeah. I don't know. I'm not impressed. There's a lot of like functionality that I want out of TypeSense though, but let me launch Melee Search again really quick. Where was I? Here we go. Wait, really? Search. The heck? Melee. Okay. I don't remember what the command was to launch Melee Search, and it's in my. I think it was maybe after or before I deleted all my history. So give me 1 second. I gotta find it. Self-hosted. This command. This is what I need. Okay. So now we go back over here, right? If I go D and E logistics, we get D and E logistics, D and E logistics with spaces, D and E logistics, D and E I mean, that looks way better to me. Now, if I go over here, right, exactly the same, D and E logistics, what do we get? D and E logistics, logistics DE. DE, like, what? It's like just, it's breaking it up too much. Is there a way to get it to perform more like this one? Also, what was the time on that? Hold on. D and E logistics. Okay, 9 milliseconds. Did it say on here? D and E logistics. It took a lot longer. It also brought back 200,000 results, though. And this only brought back 1,000, so that could also be why that's happening. But I also don't need it to bring back 200,000 results, so... Is there, like, a way to, like... I just feel like there's gotta be a way how to get type sense out of the box search to match. Yeah, that's what I don't understand. People have like other, I don't even know. I just don't know. Yeah, I don't understand. Yeah, here we go.